What's good, future millionaires? We are back with another Volted update, man. We got a lot of things to talk about with Volt Inu today, man. So first off, let's start off this video a little different by going and taking a look at the price first. So let's pull this up here. So we got Volt Inu up 4.7% on the day right now. Let's adjust all this so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Volt Inu sitting at that 2045 level as we speak. So we talked about those potential 84% gains back until we get that next resistance point or that all-time high. So, you know, do you want to wait to you chase candles to this level is filled in and then you're buying above this range? Or, you know, would you prefer to get in off the retracement and, you know, come in like that? Not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. You know, just trying to tell y'all it's best to buy the dip. Now, yes, it's exciting right now. We see the price up 4.7%. But I like to tell my, you know, audience that it's best to really watch the charts and look at some of those retracement levels. Now, if you're just bullish long term and you're just dollar cost averaging on Volt Inu, then it doesn't matter what level you buy at. You know, you just keep loading up that bag. But if you are one of those individuals that, you know, want to make the most money, I try to tell y'all, don't chase green candles. This is the time where you need to be buying. When you see the price pulling back like this, don't be afraid, y'all. This is the Volt Army. The Volt Army votes the dip. When you now, this is not financial advice, remember. But when you see the price pull back, notice every time we see it pull back with a major sell-off, the price ends up eventually above that level again. This is just how crypto plays out. It tries to stall people, shake them around. But I want y'all to take advantage of the dips in the market versus waiting only to chase these green candles. So that way you'll be a lot more in the green. But let's jump back over to the Volt Inu page. We can take a look at some of these indicators right now. We see Volt Inu trading above that mid Bollinger Band. We did a retracement, tapped that mid Bollinger Band, found support, price jumped right back up. So that's showing us that buyers are liking to stay in this area. The value that we're seeing Volt at around this range is the market is in agreement with it. So we are also trading above. Let's check out if we got our 200-day moving average on here. So we do have that 200-day moving average, and you can see we are trading above that as well. When we trade above that 200-day moving average, that's a sign that Volt Inu is bullish. It's in an uptrend at the moment. We got our RSI at a 68, pulled back right there, even though you see Volt Inu up higher. Once we get a couple, you know, more exciting pieces of news in, this RSI could continue to go up to potentially, we seen it go, it looks like around that 86 level, 87, 86 level. So that tells us, yes, 70 and above is considered overbought. So it's close to that overbought level, but that's how bullish Volt Inu is right now. Let's take a look at why. So back on the Volt Inu Twitter page, we can see here, we got the voltage is getting stronger and global. Also, Vatoshi says, good morning, Volt all over the world. And then we got Larry Crypto Talk said, I told you Volt would be big in 2023. We've been connecting the dots, man, for a while over here with the Volt Army. And, you know, it's all playing out just the way, you know, we would love it to. Ben Crypto says, Volt Army, hit like if you have notifications turned on for Volt Inu's Twitter page first to hear about the 2 pending exchange listings. You want to have notifications on for not only the Volt Inu Twitter page, but also for this YouTube channel, the December DeMarco YouTube channel. So that way you don't miss out on any of these updates. I'm bringing them all to you fresh off the press, y'all. So BTOC 1024.e says Volt Inu just went live on BTOC website, conversion page, contract address, audit. So Volt went live on BTOC, BAYC 7537. Salute to BTOC for rocking with the Volt Army. Also, another great article on why the latest decisions of the Volt DAO are so important in voltage for the future. So we really want to pay attention to those DAOs or the votes that or the polls Vatoshi puts out, because we can see how the last one affected the price of votes. So you really want to have your vote in there. You really want to have your opinion, you know, added to what the rest of the community thinks. You want to be a part of this, y'all. Crypto Latina says, happy extra Volted Friday. Volt Inu is continuing to build the largest, most strongest community in the world. Join the stream 10 a.m. Eastern time and let's talk about it. You see constantly everybody in the space, lots of content creators always talking about Vote Inu. That's a sign of a very strong project, a strong community, a project you potentially want to be a part of. Some of our BTOC official campaigns, such as banner displayed all day on the conversion page, started 6 hours ago. 2.5K plus new members already joined our Chinese community since then. So take a look at those banner ads here, now advertising on BTOC. We could take a sneak peek and see what those look like. So that's what that looks like there. And then we got another important update from Votoshi. So this is a 1 out of 4 posts, 1 in 4 posts. Today we'll proceed with the last bridge liquidity burn before the upcoming Polygon listing. This means one thing: the deflationary black hole will exponentially increase the vote burn rate forever. 2, as of today, there are 5 different mechanisms making Vote a hyper deflationary token. 1, manual buybacks and burns. 2, VoltiChange buying back and burning Vote with a 0.25% fee applied on every trade. 3, a 2% tax applied by the ETH contract on every transaction. 3, a 4% tax applied by the BSC contract on every transaction. 5, 1% reflections collected by the burn addresses. The latter is the one that just got exponentially increased, as the burn wallets will be the top holders on both chains after the bridge liquidity burn is complete. And then 4, and just because it can never be voted and deflationary enough, the Polygon smart contract will also burn, and VoltiFlex will. So just think about that. Votoshi just creating a ton of different ways. Imagine when we're sitting at about 15, 20 different ways that Vote Inu is becoming even more hyper deflationary. It's gonna get crazy, y'all. Right now, this is just literally the beginning. And I never been a part of a project so early that has such a strong community, besides Shiba Inu, but that is developing these types of utilities out the gate within the first year. So we'll just right after that first year mark. Shout out to Believes Crypto. Shout out to him. We will be having a, I'm not sure if it's going to be a collab video or live stream, however we're going to do it, but we will have some content coming for y'all soon. So shout out to Believes. Stay tuned for that. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in with him, follow him, show him some love. Also, Votoshi says every day is a new step towards a voted world. We vote thanks to the people. We vote for the people. Vote Inu, vote Army. And then, did you turn your notifications on for the upcoming Polygon listing, or rather for the upcoming top exchanges? If you didn't yet, what are you waiting for to vote these notifications? And then what if there's a poll coming very soon, even more bullish than the 2 recent polls that the Vote DAO voted on? So this is one I'm really looking forward to. This sounds very, very exciting. Let's take a look at some of the comments, see what people are speculating. Jazz said, my brain can't imagine a Vote DAO possibly becoming any more bullish than what we've already seen. Hey, I was thinking the same thing, bro. When I seen that, I was like, I don't know what we're gonna do after this. Shout out to Crypto saying, shout out to Crypto Roro, shout out to Crypto Chick, shout out to Crypto Coin Guy. He said, don't play with my emotions. Sir, better than you. Said, someone lend me some Volted Red Bull. Someone else says, Someone says, where can we see updated circulating supply? Volt bringing it on. Drop the bomb. Very excited. Bullish. Unstoppable. So, yeah, we got the community. The sentiment is looking really good when it comes to our army. And that's, one of the things we want to make sure is right, because the army is the one who's going to hold the floor. When other people panic sell and new investors jump in, jump out, the true core army are the ones that are going to be buying the dip, holding the bags that they have, helping Vote Inu sustain and grow even further. So only 11 days left to vote. Jake's here. Let's vote 2023. Post it. So just a lot of good comments here. I don't really see anything bad, and one of the crazy things, you never ever hear anybody talking bad about Vote Inu's utility, Vote Inu's potential. Maybe very early on I had a couple people who were uncertain, but for a while now I haven't heard anybody kind of really doubting the power of the Vote Army. So that's good to see right there. Again, we got a few new catalysts coming up, so stay tuned. I will keep y'all updated. We got Vote Inu at that 2045 level right now. Take a look again. Fully diluted market cap 141 million, but regular market cap 110 million dollar market cap. Y'all, it's holding that $100 million market cap level. This is new levels. We just launched from under a $50 million market cap, you know, to these levels. So you see what's taking place with Volt. You know, hopefully y'all are a part of it. You know, none of this is financial advice. Remember, do your own due diligence. Also, if you like to learn how to do more due diligence and just, you know, sharpen your investment education, I have 3 courses available. My stock options trading course, it will teach you how to trade options in the stock market. I got my technical analysis course. It will teach you how to interpret the data on the chart so you could determine what's likely to play out. And then we got the Crypto 101 course. If you're interested, hit me up, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Also, follow me on all social media platforms at DecemberDeMarco. Do not forget, go follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Instagram, go follow me on TikTok ASAP.